Welcome, Christopher. You are the keynote speaker from our partner, Bosch Power Tools. And it's great having you here at the Data Science Conference Europe. You are a global expertise owner in big data and insights at Bosch. So could you explain a bit how you came by this position and what was your development path? Mm-hmm. And additionally, could you give some future engineers advice on if they want to follow in your footsteps?
Yeah, if they want to. But definitely it was some unexpected turns in my career. So I studied electrical engineering, which is already quite nice because it gives you the basics of a lot of things. So statistics, for example, mathematics. Then I was working in electrical engineering, also the first I would say 10 years even of my professional life. And then, kind of unexpected, I went into our Agile Transformation project team full-time. So all of a sudden it was all about organizational development, change management. And after this year, I switched to our digital unit, so to say, within Bosch Power Tools and took the position I have right now. So talking about advice, I think be ready for the unexpected. Of course, it's not a mistake to bring some basic knowledge in software engineering, mathematics. I think these are key anyways to have some track record. No specific one, but yeah, I think that would be my suggestion.
So the Bosch Group's strategic objective is to create solutions for a connected life and to improve the quality of life overall worldwide. So could you elaborate a bit more on your plans with that? And what do you think is a realistic time span for some of these innovations we keep hearing in the news?
Yeah, good question. I mean, we already have some of the solutions in the market. I would call them some lighthouse IoT or even AI OT projects. And we have a challenging plan because in 2025, we want to have all of our products equipped with artificial intelligence, or at least AI has played a key role in the development or manufacturing of the products. And this is what we are working on right now with a pipeline full of topics. And yeah, looking forward to the implementation already.
And could you go a bit into some detail of what data science strategies you're actually using in Bosch for this connected life approach?
Yeah, I think most important that we don't have a separate data science strategy, but take the business strategy as the basis and then see how we can support this with AI. Because AI is, not a purpose in itself, but it's an enabler of the business strategy. And this is exactly what we do. To take out the business strategy targets along the value chain. So can be manufacturing, can be logistics, engineering, marketing, sales, and see what we can solve with AI, what we haven't been able to solve before. And this is kind of like also the strategy. Of course, part of it is also to have a proper data management in place as the foundation, so to say, to have the skill sets in the organization. And that's the core approach.
And with this approach and connecting to your talk here at the conference where you talked about fostering the new data culture at Bosch, could you elaborate a bit on your talk and what have been your plans for fostering this new data culture?
Yeah. Well, first of all, the unfortunate news is cultural change requires time. So there's no switch to switch something, but it's a long-term plan. And I mean, it's all about also changing mindsets of people to become more data-driven. And I think this is only possible, first of all, with some early success stories. So to inspire people, see, look, it's possible, why it's not possible, why shouldn't we do the same thing in your area as well? But it's also about enabling to have counterparts across the business units, because only this gives us the scaling we need to democratize data analytics at the end. And as mentioned, the data foundation is, I think, so the technology and process part, data governance, transparency on data, where to find what data. I think having the basics in place is also key, is a key part of the cultural transformation we are in.
Great. And to end this interview, What do you think is the importance of big corporations like Bosch supporting these types of events, and what can you get from participating in a high-tech conference?
Yeah, I think it's quite important because, you know, if you look at the Bosch Group, it's huge, and you might make the mistake to think we have the knowledge all in-house. Yes, we do have a lot of knowledge in-house, but especially in data science, we are in a rapidly changing environment. And sometimes I have the feeling that one of the weaknesses in the Bosch Group is that we don't get enough, I call it fresh blood in the company, so the outside-in perspective by new, also experienced employees. This is why we partner up, for example, also with the Data Science Conference, which gives us a very valuable opportunity to get an outside-in view. And what my takeaways are, again, you know, having already some new inspiration for the next steps to take. So it was a great experience.
Brilliant. Thank you for supporting the conference, and thank you for being here at this event. I do hope you've enjoyed the experience.
Very welcome. My pleasure. Welcome to the Data Science Conference Europe. My name is Chris. I'm the Global Expertise Owner for Big Data and Insights at Bosch, and we are about to change the world through data.